Stop loss and take profit in crypto trading are two of the most essential tools every trader must understand when trying to survive the volatility of Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, DeFi tokens, and the larger cryptocurrency market, especially in a fast-changing digital economy where trader psychology, risk management, and technical analysis play a huge role in long-term success. When people begin their crypto trading journey, the first instinct is usually to chase big wins with no real trading plan. And this is usually the reason many new traders get liquidated, panic sell, or lose their entire crypto portfolio in a single unexpected market move. Understanding how to set stop loss and take profit targets is what separates disciplined traders from emotional traders. Without stop loss, every market dip feels like fear, uncertainty, and doubt taking over, and without take profit, every pump feels like greed pushing you to keep holding until the market reverses against you. Learning these concepts will give you more confidence when using crypto exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, or Coinbase, and understanding how to use features like limit orders, market orders, trailing stop loss, and advanced order types will contribute greatly to your long-term trading strategy. Many beginners underestimate how volatile the crypto market is because they see the massive pumps on social media, crypto news, or TradingView, and they assume it will last forever. But the crypto market is unpredictable, and this is exactly why traders must master stop-loss strategies and take profit strategies to protect capital and grow their holdings steadily. Stop-loss is the level where you tell the market, if price hits this point, close my trade so I don't lose too much. It helps you manage risk by limiting losses, especially during sudden market crashes or manipulation from whales. Take profit is the opposite. It is the price that automatically closes your trade when your target has been achieved. A good trader uses both tools together to avoid emotional decisions. Many traders believe setting these levels is difficult, but it becomes easier when you understand support and resistance zones, candlestick patterns, trend lines, moving averages, RSI signals, and overall market structure. These tools provide a clearer picture of where price might reverse and help you choose logical stop loss and take profit areas. For example, if Bitcoin is trending upward and bouncing off a strong support zone, a trader might place their stop loss slightly below the support and take profit at the next resistance level. This method combines technical analysis with psychological structure, making the trade more calculated rather than impulsive. There are traders who constantly struggle to place stop loss levels because they fear getting stopped out. This fear usually comes from poor entry timing or entering a trade based on hype instead of analysis. When you enter at the wrong price, even a small pullback triggers a stop loss, making you feel like the market is against you. But in truth, you simply entered too late. To avoid this, traders must focus on entries around key technical zones instead of chasing pumps. The crypto chart always gives signals if you know where to look. Whether it's Bitcoin trading, altcoin trading, or futures trading, proper stop loss placement is what stabilizes your trading system. Traders must also remember that stop loss should never be placed based on emotion. It should always be placed at a point where the market structure becomes invalid. This means if price hits your stop loss, your reason for entering the trade no longer exists. This is how professional traders think. Take profit levels are equally important because they help remove greed from your trading routine. Many times, traders hit their target but refuse to close the trade because they want more gains. Eventually, the market reverses and takes away both your profit and your capital. With take profit, your trade closes automatically, so you don't second-guess the market. Traders often use multiple take profit levels to secure partial profits while letting the rest of the trade run. This approach is common in trending markets where price may continue moving in your direction. It also gives traders peace of mind because they know they've locked in some profit, even if the market reverses later. Having a trading plan that includes stop loss and take profit is what builds long-term consistency. Without these tools, you are not trading, you are gambling. When learning crypto stop loss and take profit techniques, one of the best strategies is to use TradingView for chart analysis. With tools like Fibonacci retracement, trend lines, pivot points, and moving averages, you can identify zones where price is likely to react. The Fibonacci tool is extremely useful for finding take-profit targets because many price movements follow Fibonacci levels like 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and 1.618 extensions. Meanwhile, stop loss can be placed below the invalidation zone. As you gain experience, you begin to understand where to place these levels more intuitively. Pairing stop-loss strategy with volume analysis also helps you identify strong market zones. When price approaches a high-volume area, there is a greater chance of a reaction. This means your take profit becomes safer and your stop-loss becomes more protected. Another key factor traders ignore is position sizing. You may set a perfect stop-loss, but if your position size is too big, a small loss will damage your portfolio. Position sizing protects traders from overexposure. This is especially important in futures trading, where leverage magnifies both profit and loss. For example, using 20x leverage with a loose stop-loss is extremely dangerous because small market movements can wipe you out. Every trader must understand how to calculate position size based on percentage risk instead of emotions. Risking 1% or 2% per trade is common among disciplined traders. This ensures that even if you lose multiple trades in a row, your portfolio survives. Stop loss and take profit work best when combined with proper position sizing. Some traders prefer using percentage-based stop-loss levels. Others prefer using chart-based stop-loss levels. Both methods work depending on your trading style. Day traders and swing traders often rely on chart-based levels because they depend heavily on technical analysis. Long-term investors may use wider stop-loss levels because they focus on overall market cycles rather than short-term volatility. Understanding your personal trading style is crucial. Crypto trading psychology plays a huge role in how consistently you use stop-loss and take profit. Traders who refuse to follow their trading plan often fall victim to emotional trading, revenge trading, FOMO trading, and panic selling. Remaining disciplined is what separates successful traders from gamblers. When trading crypto, you must understand that markets don't move in a straight line. They move in impulses and corrections. This is why stop loss and take profit must be placed with market structure in mind. During an uptrend, placing a stop loss too close might get triggered when price makes a natural correction. During a sideways market, take profit might be hit earlier because the market lacks strong momentum. During a downtrend, traders must be extra cautious because markets move down faster than they move up. Recognizing the trend helps you decide where to set your levels. Many traders rely on indicators like MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and EMA to confirm trend direction. These indicators help improve your stop-loss accuracy because they show momentum strength. Trailing stop-loss is another tool that allows traders to lock in profit as price continues to move in their favor. Instead of setting a fixed stop-loss, trailing stop-loss moves with the price, protecting your profits during strong trends. This is very useful when trading Bitcoin volatility or altcoins known for explosive price movements. Trailing stop-loss reduces emotional pressure because you don't have to worry about manually adjusting your position. It is one of the most effective tools for maximizing profit while minimizing risk. Overall, setting stop-loss and take profit is the foundation of risk management in crypto trading. Without them, long-term survival becomes impossible. Many traders think the secret to success is predicting the market, but the real secret is managing your downside. Mastering stop-loss and take profit allows you to stay consistent regardless of market conditions. When you protect your capital, you can always take another trade. If you enjoyed this breakdown and you want more crypto trading lessons that help you trade smarter, grow your portfolio, and master the strategies professionals use every day, make sure you follow, subscribe, and stay connected so you never miss any powerful updates that can transform the way you trade forever.